Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. As you can tell, my voice is a little bit off today. It's sinus problems. I know we all go through them, so please forgive me for my voice being off. What we're going to do today is I'm going to make some inlays. That was so good last time that I made them. I'm going to go ahead and try to make some more. These are little penguins. It's an ice tray that I bought. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got them laying on their side because they're like not quite a lot there. You turn that on, and you know that when you use the oh my goodness gracious, I lost the word for it. Anyway, when you're weighing something, you always have to tare it with the cup on it. Okay, let's see. I'm going to go for 13. Comes out. Oops, let me go ahead and tear it again. It was 13. Put that away. And I don't like to use the silicone sticks for this. I use the wood sticks for this. And we just stir it until it's nice and mixed. And I've decided I'm not going to put any mica powder in this one. So in case I ever want to do something with UV resin, it'll cure completely. I don't think it will. I mean, I don't think I'll need to do that, but that way when I go to paint the inlays, I can see the colors that's going to be on there as well. Whenever you're stirring, always scrape your stick and scrape the sides. There we go. We got it stirred. Let's go ahead and start pouring these in. Some of these I'm going to pour it up from high. So all the bubbles will come out. As you pour it up high, the bubbles will pop. And I'm not pouring them too deep because I don't want them too heavy. Drop it so some of those, if any bubbles, come out. But that looks good. I'll be back to you when these are ready to be taken out of the mold, and we will continue on. Okay, they're ready. They feel like they're ready to come out. Well, they seem a little sticky, a little wet, but I thought I mixed it correctly. Let me go ahead and just get them out of here. Yeah, they are a little bit wet. I don't understand. But I guess I didn't mix it up correctly. I'm going to let them sit out for a little bit and see if they'll finish curing up. And I'll be back when these are ready to go. I sped this part up because you don't want to watch me put mica powder on all these. They are still a little sticky, but they'll be all right. Now I'm just putting them on the mold where I think that they'll look good. I cleaned it up with alcohol, and I shouldn't have. I should have cleaned it up, but that's okay. Live and learn. But now that I've got these where I want them, well, now that I've got them where I want them, I'm going to go and mix up the resin. I'll be right back. Okay, I've mixed up the resin. I'm it's the gentian. I'm putting the Resiner's silver glitter in there, stirring it up real good. This is fast forwarded. I'm not pouring this fast. I figured since I was doing the voiceover, I would go ahead and just do it faster. So we'll be back when this is ready to demold. Okay, we're ready to demold. I'm going to go ahead and just try to get this out of here. Okay, I got that out of there. Now I'm going to get these little inserts out. I'm hoping they worked out. Yeah, they came out. They're still a little different, but yeah. I'm going to have to get some of this overpour out from underneath them. That's what I'm picking at right now, at that overpour. I can't seem to get it. There we go. That's got a lot of overpour on it, so that's why I'm having trouble getting it out of there. I've decided to get my dotting tool, get underneath it, and just pop it up. That's one way to clear it off. Well, it looks okay, but we have a problem. There's holes in it on the back side. The inserts did not go all the way back. So what I'm going to have to do is on the back side, give me a second, I'm going to think about it. I think I figured it out. I'm going to use some tape to tape the back, and hopefully it'll keep it from flowing out the bottom. Okay, we'll see how that works. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some more resin, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my resin mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. And it's my gentian resin again, of course. It's my go-to resin. What I'm doing right now is just putting my dotting tool in, trying to make sure that there's no bubbles in those, getting all that resin down in there. And then I'm just spreading it out so it goes all the way to the edges. And I'm heating it up a little bit so that way it'll move a little bit better. I've got these snowflakes that I bought from Temu. Just going to place a few of them in there to make it look kind of like a starry night maybe, or a snowflake snowing. Now I went ahead and took some of this snow glitter from Michael's and put it down at the bottom there. That was a mistake. It ended up getting all over it. Now, it's not too bad, and you can still see through it, but it wasn't what I was going for. It's finally cured, and this is how it turned out. You see how that snow went up all into them? It's an okay tray, but I'm not happy with it. I've done better, and I could do even better. But if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and hit that thumbs up. It really helps my channel. See you next time.